Yep. Just sitting here, bored. Whatever. Watching TV, BBC. Like usual. Do you know who this is? And what video? Do you know who that is? Please comment below. Comment below, please. Below. Down. Look down and all the way down and comment. There's a little box. Comment. So, do you know who that is? I'll give you a hint. The first letter is C. Okay. Well, hurry up and comment. First one gets tagged. Bye.